a chicken recipe like you've never seen before. To start, we'll need 2 chicken fillets. With a knife, make a few cuts on the surface to ensure the seasoning penetrates well and each piece becomes even more flavorful and juicy. Now it's time to give a special touch to the seasoning. Start by adding salt to taste, followed by half a teaspoon of black pepper for a slight spicy touch, 1 teaspoon of thyme to bring an incredible aroma and special flavor to the dish, and 1 teaspoon of paprika, which not only adds color, but also a slightly smoky taste. Finish with a generous drizzle of olive oil, which will blend all the flavors and make the dish even tastier. Spread the seasoning well over the chicken, making sure it is fully coated. Watch until the last step. The result will make you want to run to the kitchen. With the chicken seasoned, let's heat a frying pan with a little olive oil. Once hot, add the chicken fillets. Let them fry for a few minutes on each side until golden and fully cooked inside. While the chicken is frying, let's prepare the side dish. Cut a red onion into thin slices, then separate the layers. Stay until the end to see how this incredible recipe turns out. Now that the chicken is ready, remove it from the pan and set it aside. In the same pan, with the chicken flavors still present, add the sliced onion. Stir for a few minutes. Then, add 3 chopped garlic cloves and keep stirring to prevent the garlic from burning. Oh, and don't forget to rate this recipe from 0 to 10. I'm curious to know what you think. Now comes the special touch. Add 1 tablespoon of mustard and 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Mix well to incorporate all the flavors. But the secret to this recipe is here. We're going to add 180 milliliters of beer. Tell me if you've heard of this recipe before or if you'll try it at home. I'm sure you'll love it. Now, add 1 tablespoon of honey. This will create an amazing sauce with the perfect balance between the slightly bitter taste of the beer and the sweetness of the honey. Keep stirring the sauce to blend all the flavors. Then, return the chicken fillets to the pan. Cover and let it cook for a few more minutes. To finish, add some chopped parsley on top. This will add a fresh and colorful touch to the dish. Our chicken is ready to be served. I'm sure this recipe will surprise your family and friends. Now tell me, where are you watching from? Leave a comment so I can send you a special shout out in the next video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next recipe and enjoy your meal.